So repairs or mechanical repairs. I just came for a misfire and an engine warning light on this Hyundai Jets, and we discovered there was water in number 2 cylinder. And the funny thing, I just fixed a similar problem on one of the cars of the same customer. So right now we're just giving it a run. And further looking, I realized that the plugs that were put in there, 3 of them, they are too high. They are sitting too high, so the spark plug boots are not sealing. That's something that the ordinary person cannot pick up. It needs someone who is technical. So trust APOM Repairs or mechanical repairs with your repairs. We'll come to you for diagnostics